Hello, my dear students. Myself Ranjit Kumar. Today I will discuss Newton's law of cooling. Today I will discuss Newton's law of cooling. Listen carefully. If you have any doubt, then ask me. Newton's law of cooling. Newton's law of cooling used for used for in radiation method for cooling. It's a state that it's a state that rate of rate of cooling rate of cooling or rate of fall in temperature rate of rate of fall rate of fall in temperature is directly proportional to is directly proportional to is directly proportional to the temperature difference between temperature of body and temperature of surrounding temperature of surrounding temperature of surrounding. Suppose that this is the body which have temperature TV. TV is the temperature of body or T naught is the temperature of body surrounding. T naught is the temperature of surrounding. Del T is the fall in temperature of body. Fall in temperature of body. Or del small t, time taken to fall in temperature. Time taken to fall in temperature. Time taken to fall in temperature. Del T is rate of fall in temperature. Rate of fall in temperature. According to Newton's law of cooling, del T is directly proportional to temperature difference body over that surrounding. Directly proportional TV minus T naught. Here TV is greater than T naught. TV is greater than T naught. If temperature of body is greater than surrounding, then temperature is fall. If temperature of body is less than surrounding, then temperature of body gain from the surrounding. Okay. So del T by Tt directly proportional to TV minus T naught. Here we can say that del T by a small t minus K TV minus T naught, where K is Newton's cooling constant. Newton's cooling constant. न्यूटन्स कूलिंग कांस्टेंट. और ये नेगेटिव साइन क्या है? व्हाट इज दिस? व्हाट इज दिस नेगेटिव साइन? तो नेगेटिव साइन इंडिकेट दैट negative sign indicate that rate of cooling decreases with time. Rate of cooling decreases with time. If we use Newton's law of cooling on the solving the problem, one thing is major problem comes. What is taking the temperature of the body? What is taking the temperature of body? ये TV. Here TV the temperature of body. जब when we go solving the problem, temperature of body not easy to taken. Such as problems given to a body cools from 80 degrees centigrade to 60 degrees centigrade in 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, the temperature of body surrounding is 20 degrees Celsius. The times it takes to cool from 60 degree to 40 degree. 60 degree to 40 degree. Here mind it, a body cools from 80 degrees centigrade to 60 degree. Body temperature falls from 80 degrees centigrade to 60 degree in 5 minutes. So what is the temperature taken of the body? Remember that temperature of body in Newton's law of cooling, the temperature of body is taken average temperature from average temperature to highest temperature to lowest temperature. Average temperature of highest temperature to lowest temperature. So temperature of body taken to be average temperature such as 80 degrees centigrade plus 60 degrees centigrade by 2, यानी 140 by 2, that is a 70 degrees Celsius. 70 degrees Celsius. Okay, we use the formula del T by small del t minus k TB minus T naught. TB minus T naught del T, fall in temperature 80 degrees centigrade. Final temperature, here is that final temperature 60 degrees centigrade. 60 minus 80 by time taken 5 minutes equal to minus K TV. 70 minus T naught, temperature of surrounding is 20 degrees centigrade. 20 degrees centigrade. This is the equation 1. Again, the time taken it take to cool from 60 degrees centigrade to 40 degrees centigrade, means to say that 60 to 40, in which time taken to 60 to 40. So here is initial temperature 60 degrees centigrade of final temperature 40 degrees centigrade, or time taken, so what? That's the calculated. Again, used Newton's law of cooling. Newton's law of cooling. Newton's law of cooling. Del T, final temperature 40 minus initial temperature 60 by T minus K, temperature of the body. So temperature of body is TV. 40 plus 60 divided by 2, that is 50. So 50 minus 20. This is the equation number 2. This is the equation number 2. Dividing the equation 1 by 2. So this is the equation 1. 60 minus 80 by 5 divided by 40 minus 60 by T is equal to minus K. 70 minus 20 divided by minus K. 50 minus 20. Okay. S 60 minus 80 minus 20 by 5. 40 minus 60, that is the minus 20 by T, is equal to minus eliminate, K eliminate, 50 by 30, 0 cancel, minus 20 by 5, so T by minus 20, minus 20 cancel, here 5 by 3, that means T equal to 25 by 3 minute. 25 by 3 minute. In this time, the temperature of body falls 60 degree to 40 degree Celsius. This is the problem of JEE Mains 2023 on the basis of Newton's law of cooling. I think you understand. Okay.